Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about negation as it relates to logical statements and truth tables. Let's get started. So negation can be thought of as the English word not, or it is not the case that. So for example, in this first sentence, it is not the case that I like popcorn. That can be symbolized with the tilde sign P, not P. Example 2, I am not an insect. Again, that can be symbolized with the not symbol in front of I, which is the proposition for I am an insect. So not I would be I am not an insect. So just a couple of reminders and do's and don'ts. So when you're symbolizing a sentence that has a negation in it, be sure that you symbolize the not. So I have a do and I have a don't as a reminder. So if the sentence is I do not like cats, it should be symbolized not C. C is the sentence I like cats, and throwing the not in front of it means it becomes I do not like cats. So don't, on the bottom there, say I don't like cats as C. That would make a negation of that sentence be a double negative, and it kind of loses the way that you're supposed to say it. It's possible to do it that way, it's just that it complicates matters and it kind of removes the point of the not. So always be sure to have in the not symbol if there is a negation in the sentence. Okay, so let's talk about what the negation does to a truth table. So let's take the sample sentence, I like popcorn, which is the sentence P. So like truth tables, all of them that we will do, you go through all of the possible combinations, so true and false. P can either be true or P can be false. So the not symbol, all that does is just flip the truth value of the sentence. So you see it says not P. Well, not P is just the opposite of P. So if P is true, then not P is false. And if P is false, then not P becomes true. That's all it is. And these are the two ways the situation can happen. If it is true that I like popcorn, then not P means it's false that I don't like popcorn. It's a little weird when you say it in English, but that's the logical structure of it. Let's look at the next example. So you might know this already, but double negation, right? A double negative. That's like saying something like I do not have a puppy, something like that. So you might know that not kind of cancels out, and double negation is pretty much the same as saying the original statement. So P is true, false. Not P is false, true. Not P is true, false. So you can see here that true, false, and true, false are the same for both P and not P. So if you didn't know this already, you can say, hey, P and not P have the same logical structure, which means these two sentences, or like, what am I trying to say, symbols? These two symbols have the same truth value. So just kind of keep that in mind, that having a negation flips the truth value. And if it comes twice, then it kind of goes back to the original thing. Negation also applies to more complicated sentences, which I can get into later. And there's something called De Morgan's Law. But at this level, we'll talk just about negation and the point. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you.